Hello my friends, hope your day's going great. I got my nails done today. So I did them so that they're chrome, and then I have fire chrome on the fingers I'd flip someone up with. And I just hope all of your days are going great. So I'm headed to a, awkward. Headed to a workshop tonight. And it's just a place where we get to process our emotions and to feel our feelings and become as successful human beings as we can. It's a lot of people there that I love so much and who are such just amazing and inspiring people to me. I get to go fully makeuped, done. I've done these looks at past ones. I'll just put some photos of my past times that I've gotten ready like this. Tonight, I think, because with these new nails that I got today, they're really simple and I want it to kind of match. So I think I'm just gonna do a cool black and white eyeliner look on my face is the thought. So we shall see. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom you in. Maybe I'm gonna start actually by going and grabbing a washcloth to wash my face. I got such a bad bloody nose like 2 days ago, literally, and I still am getting blood kind of out of my nose from it when I wash my face, which is kind of gross. Let's use some moisturizer, just a little. I love nail days. I just feel so confident in what I look like and what my hands look like especially, and I think it's fun. Before we leave, my mama is gonna take some photos of me, and I think I'm gonna use my like periwinkle purple backdrop. So we're gonna see how those look. I don't know why I'm feeling kind of quiet today. I'm usually very boisterous and audacious, but I'm just feeling kind of quiet today. So, yeah. Super bad. I mean, every once in a while I get like a bad one. Get a beauty blender. I really should wash this beauty blender more, but I do not, so life goes on. Concealer is like my all-time favorite beauty hack, just as a whole. All right, okay. Let me think what I want to do next. It's not even that I have hooded eyes, I just don't have a lot of eye shadows. This crease is so big in my eyes. Like if you see when I look, there's so much that you can't even really see. I don't know if that's called hooded eyes or if it's something else, but it's something, and it's a little bit of a pain to work with makeup. The idea is this, but in white and black, I think would be so cool. So, okay. Okay, I believe. Other side. Oh, fuck. Fuck, this is so stressful. Okay. Okay, so we darken that one. I like. So we got those two in there. What do we want to do now? I think I want to do some black. Yeah, I'm gonna go to some black now. The people who can just like whip out eyeliner is just, it blows my mind. Fuck. Did that work? Okay, maybe actually it did work. Okay. I think I kind of actually want to just do some other lines on my face. I think that'll be sick. Like, oh, okay, yeah, wait, so what if I do like, oh, okay. So we got to do different contours of the face now. And then maybe do, and then let's put this, I'm going to put this in kind of like a little bit more back in it. Does that make sense? Kind of like, yeah. like there. So you got the eyes, the cheekbones. Usually there's a jaw contour, but I think well, yeah, that would look sick because my beard is kind of scraggly. I've got a scraggly beard and I'm not afraid to admit it. Like that. I think it's gonna be a no. Yeah, no, taking it off. Yeah, I just want to add these and then we'll be good. I'm gonna go get my mom to do them and I will be back. And I get to just go for it. I love this side, honestly. Like this side that you guys can see right now. I think from this angle, it's like so cool. Oh, this is so good. I'm going to set the background first and then put on the outfit. Shout out to ultraviolet backdrops. These are all the backdrops that I use. Focus, come on, here. They're just so beautiful, so get ready. Okay, I'm going to be changing for a moment, so I'm going to leave you with Mama Cousins to give you some words of advice for your day.
My wisdom for today is don't overschedule yourself. Do what you love, and when you have too much, then just stop. Take a break. That's what I'm doing today. Because sometimes we all just need a break.
What have you been doing today during your break?
Michael Wayne went to the juicery. I cleared my calendar. I have been doing homework all day and drinking juice. The chrome nails are going to be really awesome with this outfit.
I think so too. They're so, like they stand out so much. Okay, I have to make sure I don't get any deodorant on the outside of this shirt. Thank you. Did I get any deodorant on it outside?
None.
Yes.
Let me zip you up.
Yes, please. I would love thoughts on if you think it looks better tucked around.
Absolutely tucked.
Tucked?
Mm-hmm, I would.
Okay. I love it. Okay, I think I'm ready. We'll just put these out there. I don't want to have them on for a second longer than I need to. And then we'll take photos. I love that. Okay.
Okay.
And so we move.
Into the next room.
I just finished taking my photos. Here's some of those photos. They were very fun. I loved them. My mama helped me take them. Here's maybe a TikTok or two. And I just hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. Thanks for getting ready with me. And I am headed to my event. And I just hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. If you want to follow me here on YouTube, I have an Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, OnlyFans as well. Any support, but specifically if you'd like to follow me on OnlyFans would be so appreciated, but no pressure. And I love you all, and I'll see you the next time.